Lesson 5, Contamination Clues. Now when I talk about contamination with my students, I like to tell a little story. So we'll have the students begin by creating a river in the middle of their container. On one side of the river lives Farmer Jones. Farmer Jones is a very conscientious farmer. Farmer Brown lives on the other side, and Farmer Brown is a little bit reckless. One day, Farmer Brown spills some contamination onto his fields. Initially, you can see the contamination just filters down into his groundwater. The next day it rains on Farmer Johnson's land, in the river, and on Farmer Brown's land. You can see that contamination is starting to move. It's no longer only under Farmer Brown's land, but it's also in the river. Farmer Johnson uses his well to feed his livestock, to water his fields, and to drink. Over time, that plume of contamination moves not only from Farmer Brown's land, but to the river and also under Farmer Johnson's land. Farmer Johnson is now drinking contaminated groundwater. Thank you for supporting the Groundwater Foundation. You make what we do possible. For more information, go to groundwater.org.